Hello viewers, let's sit back, relax and enjoy the story of a young billionaire in Nigeria today. This billionaire started from the very scratch. Let's follow his journey on how he turned 200 naira into a $1 billion industry in Nigeria. He is very famous among the country's billionaire and he's very known for giving youth advice on how to make millions, how to turn a few hundreds or thousands of naira into millions. So please, let's follow through with the video. Watch the full video so that you can get the full gist and the full story. In this video, you would see he'll give a breakdown of how he made his wealth, the process, how he went through the struggle when he was a apprentice, and how he progressed from all the way to becoming a billionaire today. Please like, share, follow, participate in this video. Let this video be interactive. If you have any opinion, any suggestion, whatever, drop it in the comment section and we can have a proper conversation in the comment section.
He has proven that it doesn't matter where you've started from, it's where you're going that matters. So young people look at him as an example to say, yeah, his English is not perfect, his educational pursuits are not perfect, but he has exceeded all expectations and all limitations placed on him.
You must take responsibility. You won't put it on your father or your mother. It's your own decision.